안녕하세요. Welcome to Breaking Borders, Local to Global, your launch blueprint. We're currently here in Korea and we're gearing up for an exciting journey. Our mission? To guide you through transforming your local brands into global sensations using Amazon FBA and Amazon ads. 저는 Bradley입니다. My name is Bradley Sutton. I work for Helium 10 and alongside Min and Lim from the TradeSchool, as well as Jeung, a seasoned Amazon seller from Korea. Now, today we're kicking things off by diving into the essential steps to kickstart your expansion. Let's talk about why we're all here today. And we're going to explore global expansion via Amazon. So let's go ahead and talk about that.
Absolutely. To offer some context, Amazon customer buys roughly 7,400 products per minute from US sellers. You can build, grow, and scale your brand with Amazon. Logistics, a customer experience, rich data insights, and cutting-edge advertising and marketing solution.
I actually have some experience in this. I used to help Korean brands before I worked at Helium 10, and I would help them expand into foreign markets such as the American market, and we saw amazing growth. Now, it's important to understand though that each country is unique, and success in one country, it's not going to guarantee you're going to have success in every other country in the exact same way.
For sure. As an Amazon consultant, one of the most frequently asked questions from CEOs of local brands and e-commerce businesses, especially SMBs, is how to expand their presence globally. We conducted a brief interview with KR brand owner to identify these areas to concern. Let's check it out.
Hello, I'm Jeung from Hobby & Deco and supply various bedding products and accessories in Korea. I'm going to expand my business to global market, especially huge gaps in language and culture difference. Adding to that, how to research, select the right market, and let the customer know Hobby & Deco's products. I am certainly sure it would be very helpful to know a practical and workable ways to fully understand these issues before I get started.
As you could see, we all know that many aspire to reach other countries, but it seems like they soon encounter obstacles such as language barriers and a lack of knowledge on the necessary resources for a comprehensive approach.
Okay, for local brand owners like myself, looking for start selling on Amazon, one of the biggest questions is about the initial investment. How much should we expect to spend to get started?
That's a good question, Jeung. You can use Amazon's FBA calculator to gauge your potential fees associated with conducting your business on Amazon. From the calculator, you'll have a detailed breakdown of fulfillment costs, including storage fees, shipping fees directly associated with the FBA service, just like the screenshot.
Speaking of understanding the cost structure, a frequent oversight among brand owners is neglecting to account for the investment of Amazon advertising in their overall profit and loss calculations. My advice to brand owners is to set aside a specific portion of your revenue, let's say 10, 15, maybe 20% for Amazon ads.
I have another common question. Is fluency in the languages of countries I wish to expand into the necessary?
Not really. Amazon is making new generative AI capabilities available as early access to sellers to simplify the listing process. We can also use other AI tools, and we'll share how to use these during the listing section later.
I'm excited for that, so make sure to stay tuned for that episode.
Okay, say you are a local business owner, already have a pre-established brand and product line. Think you can just start selling internationally as you have domestically is in the case?
Well, not right away. Let's start with the critical enables here, Brand Registry and compliance sensor.
So let's talk about Brand Registry on Amazon. To me, this is crucial to protect your brand, and Amazon provides exclusive benefits such as A+ content, sponsored brand advertising in stores, and these are exclusively for those who have Brand Registry. Now, these tools are invaluable for you brand owners, so it helps you safeguard your brand and also interact with your customers better. So if you haven't done so yet, make sure to register your brand ASAP on Amazon.
For all exclusive benefits for brand registered sellers, we put together a list here, and please take a screenshot for more details.
So a couple of my favorites are A+ content. This allows you to have listings that looks visually so much better than a regular listing. And again, only available to brand registered sellers. Another advantage I like for a brand registry is virtual bundles. If you are selling multiple products in your brand, you're going to be able to put advertisements of sorts on the actual pages of all the products in your brand, and they don't cost you anything, and it pushes all of the competitors' advertisements down. So make sure to start using virtual bundles. Another benefit of brand registry is the ability to take advantage of Amazon Live. In many countries, live shopping is really big. And if you're brand registered, you can yourself go live or hire influencers to stream your products live and actually have people purchase it directly from that live stream. Amazon brand registered sellers can also access valuable insights through my favorite aspect of data analytics, which is Amazon Brand Analytics, which has things like top search terms and search query performance.
Amazing. When considering trademark registration, what are the key points sellers need to be aware of?
Amazon currently only accepts trademarks that have been issued by government trademark offices. For example, to register a trademark in the United States, it should be done via the United States Patent and Trademark Office, which is called USPTO. You can find more country-specific requirements via Amazon IP Accelerator. You can check it out.
Great. Now, what about compliances such as category registration and other certification requirements? Can you share more about these?
First, you can check if your products require approval on the Amazon Global Selling homepage. There, you can review product listings, categories, and restrictions in detail, so be sure to examine them carefully. Additional steps may be required for certain categories such as food, pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and baby products, so be sure to verify. More information can be found here.
Thank you so much for these insights and tips. All right, now after you've successfully navigated these initial steps and you're now fully compliant with all these things, what is the next immediate action that you have to take moving forward?
One of the most important next steps is creating your product listing. You may consider using some AI tools for this, and let's start with Amazon's early access tool first. To get started, sellers only need to provide a brief description of the product in a few words or sentences, and Amazon will generate high-quality content for the review like this. First, if you go to the product listing page, you'll see an early access tool at the top. Just enter a short one-line description of your product, and click Generate Content button, and it will suggest a product title and category. If you don't like it, you can also just regenerate content. It's really quick and easy. In addition to early access tools, other AI tools can be used to create an optimized listing to upload to Amazon. First, we collect the 3 titles and bullet points of our competitors' products from Amazon. Then we ask the AI tool to give us information about the competitors' titles and bullet points and to create a new listing based on them. Then AI will give you good titles and bullet points. Referring back to the 3 titles and bullet points of the competitors' products we collected earlier, I ask AI to extract at least 5 important listing keywords from here. Then, good keywords will be extracted again, right? Based on the newly extracted keywords, improve the title and bullet point written earlier. Command AI to make sure to include these newly extracted keywords, update the title and bullet point created earlier to optimize the listing, and rewrite it. After you have finally finished your results, you can ask AI to improve the tone of bullet point to a friendly, fun, or professional tone as you wish to create your own listing content.
That concludes today's episode. Now, as we conclude this first installment of Local to Global, your launch blueprint, we've covered a broad spectrum from financial planning to navigating brand registry, compliances, crafting compelling listings with the help of AI, and more. Now, stay tuned for our upcoming episode where we're going to go deep into refining our marketing strategy and Amazon ad strategy for global success. Now, if you like our content, make sure to feel free to show us some love by liking, commenting, sharing, hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you along for the ride. So thank you for joining us, and we'll see you soon in the next episode. 감사합니다.